Welcome viewers, welcome to our easy crochet tutorial where we shall learn how to make an adorable toy bear. Follow along step by step as we create this cute crochet companion together. Crochet is a craft where we can use yarn and a hook to create beautiful things. To make our bear, we shall need yarn in your favorite color and a crochet hook. We shall start by making the head of our bear. Begin with a magic circle and single crochet 6 stitches into it. Then increase in each stitch around to make the head grow. After a few rounds, we shall stuff the head with some soft filling to make it. Next, we shall make the body by crocheting a few rounds of single crochet stitches. Now let's make the arms and legs. They are just simple tubes of crochet stitches. Our bear is starting to take shape. Does not it look cute already? Attach them to the head once they are finished. Now let's give our bear a face. Don't forget to add a smile. It adds so much character. Our bear is almost complete. Just a few finishing touches left. We shall see everything together neatly to make sure our bear is sturdy. And there we have it. Our adorable crochet toy bear is finished. Take a moment to admire your creation. It's amazing what you can make with just yarn and a hook. This bear would make a wonderful gift for a friend or loved one. Don't worry if yours does not look exactly like mine. Each one is unique and special. Crochet is all about having fun and being creative. Before we finish, let's give our bear a name. I hope you enjoyed following along with this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Take a moment to admire your creation. It's amazing what you can make with just yarn and a hook. You can also make different sizes and colors to create a whole family. Crochet is all about having fun and being creative. Stay tuned for our next project. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting. Remember to like and subscribe.